So motorheads, feast your eyes on this beauty. This is a 1990 Honda CBR 250RR, also known as an MC22. This bike has been fully restored by Paul from Dosmoto Garage right here in Wollongong. Now Paul has generously handed me the keys to this stunning motorcycle to do a ride review, which will be coming up very soon on the channel. And let me just say, this was one sweet ride. Now this is a 249cc inline 4, and it likes to live high up in the rev range. Now this is just a quick walk around video just so I can show you how much work has gone into this motorcycle. And Paul has gone right over this motorcycle, from the engine, the carbies, the brakes, the suspension, to the bodywork, the paint and the decal. He has meticulously gone over this bike with an eye for detail. Now this bike is for sale, so if you are interested, of course I'll link all the information in the description. So guys, that was just a quick walk around video on this Honda CBR 250RR. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell icon so when I upload the ride review you'll be notified straight away. As always, I'll be interested to hear what you think, so leave a comment down below. Thank you so much to Paul from Dosmoto Garage for letting me take the bike out and spend the day with it and really have some fun with this bike. Don't forget that the ride review will be coming up soon. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.